Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and their intentions towards you for the month of April. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Their current feelings, Leo. Their current feelings. Under the deck, Wheel of Fortune. So maybe your person waiting for the right time. So yes, maybe they want to make a move towards you, but they're waiting because they're waiting for the right time. So let's see your reading. But things started turning into your person favor. So let's see their feelings. 4 of Cups, 4 of Wands, Page of Swords and 8 of Cups. So 4 of Cups, they're missing you. They're feeling lonely without you. They're missing you. For some, you are in separation with this person. For some, you are in no contact. For those who are in relationship, your person feeling bored. Those who are in relationship. Those who are in separation, your person feeling sad without you. They're feeling lonely without you. And 4 of Wands. And they want this happiness with you. If you are in separation, they are memorizing the moments, the past moments. They can't forget you. They're missing you so much. They're thinking about the good times with you. And Page of Swords, they are stalking on you. They are spying on you. They're watching you. Yes, they are watching you. Maybe you don't know, but they are watching you. Page of Swords. And 8 of Cups is here. So maybe if there are some disturbances between you and your person, they want to leave those disturbances behind and want to move towards positivity. They want to leave all negative things behind, because 8 of Cups is walking away from negative things, from connection. But in this case, maybe they decided to walk away from negative and want to move towards positivity. Wheel of Fortune. So maybe they're spying on you. Maybe they're waiting for right time to approach you because they're missing you. Maybe they walked away from this connection in past. Now they have regrets. So they scared to come towards you. That's why maybe they're waiting for right time. But they want this happiness with you. For some, you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. But they're missing the good times with you. They're stalking on you. Yes. I think they're waiting for the right time. I'm getting the same message again. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see their intentions. Leo. Let's see your person intentions towards you. Your person intentions towards you. Okay, 3 of Cups. King of Cups. Queen of Wands. Again 8 of Cups. So 3 of Cups, your person want reconciliation with you. They want happiness with you. They want celebrations with you. They want to celebrate their celebration with you. And under the deck, Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions for you, Leo. And Wheel of Fortune again. I think divine timing. They're waiting for the right time. Maybe your person, you both are in long distance relationship. So 3 of Cups with King of Cups, they have so much love for you. They love you. And they want reunion with you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And Queen of Wands. Your person is very passionate about you. They are very attracted to you, and your person is also very good looking and very passionate about their work and very popular also. So they really want to offer their cup of love to you, King of Cups, and they want the reunion with you if you are in separation. Again, Eight of Cups. So they want to leave behind everything. Maybe the disturbances, maybe the arguments, maybe the fightings. They want to leave. Maybe your person walked away from this connection, but now they leave those disturbances or differences between both of you. They want reunion with you. Yes, they want to reunion with you. They want reconciliation. It is a clear message. They're missing you. They're stalking on you. So they want reconciliation. For some, it could be third party situation also. But they have, see, King of Cups and Queen of Cups is here. Definitely both have strong emotions for each other. Definitely both have so much love for each other. Yes, they want to leave behind everything which had happened between both of you. That is arguments, disturbances, differences, whatever. So they want to leave behind negativity and they want to move towards positivity. So they want reconciliation with you. They don't want any arguments, any disturbances with you because they're missing you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. I think they're watching you. They're wondering about you a lot. Leo. Okay, first. Queen of Pentacles. Seven of Swords. Knight of Wands. Six of Swords under the deck. So yes, there are some issues between both of you. They want to fix those issues. And Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Swords and Knight of Wands. I think one person in this connection is very sneaky, playing games with the other person. It could be you or your person because these are the mutual energies. These are the connection cards. So there was one person is sneaky in this connection. And Queen of Pentacles, one person is very career focused in this connection. I think Knight of Wands, but there is a lot of passion between both of you. You both have a lot of attraction, physical attraction between both of you. But one person is sneaky. Maybe in past they hurt you, but maybe now they're realizing you both. Now they're coming back, leaving everything behind. Yes, final mutual card. Six of Wands and Hanged Woman. So you both are stuck on each other. You both are thinking about each other, and there is a spiritual awakening also. So you both want success in this connection. You both want each other, but one person maybe did something wrong in past, but they also realizing they also have regrets. It could be you or your person, but your person feeling, your person intentions is leaving everything behind. Arguments, issues, whatever happened between both of you. They want you back. They really want to offer their cup of love to you. Yes, they want success in this connection. You also want success in this connection. So let's see some messages from your person and Leo. I have too much going on my life. I want you back. Friendship. Lot of readings got friendship card. Communication is coming. And religious factors. Maybe your love life is affected by religious factor and decision time is here. So maybe your person has so much going on their life and they want you back. Friendship, maybe you both are very good friends. Maybe for some your person in past putting you in friendship zone. And communication is coming. For some it could be religious factors also affecting your love life. Yes, but they are coming back. I am seeing they are missing you and they have so much love for you because King of Cups is here. And you both have strong emotions for each other. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you.